Ramil, kumusta ka?
Okay ra kayo.
Okay ra kaayo. So taga-asa si Ramil.
Taga Malatapay Sambuanggita.
Taga Malatapay Sambuanggita. So gyud sa nato pagkabalungan na ibit si okay diri sa studio.
Normally sig asa mo kuan ako nakapalo ako si.
Kon na kasunod yuga.
Oo.
Manalitag maabot Miss Mars.
Depende.
Bato po ganito. Okay, so unsay kantahon ni Ramil karon?
Original music ni kaning Jose Feliciano, Once There Was a Love.
Na. So ready na ba si Ramil?
Ready na.
Since ready na ka, ako nang ihatag ang entablado sa Beat si Okay diri sa studio. Palakpakan na to, Ramil.
Once there was a love deeper than any ocean. Once there was a love filled with such devotion. It was yours in mine to hold and cherish and to keep for a lifetime. Then you went away on that lonely day. Once there was a love. Now I don't know how I can go on. Somehow I feel so all alone, wondering where I've gone wrong. Once there was a love that will never come again, so let's not pretend. Once there was a love, but that was long ago. Now I don't know how I can go on. Somehow I feel so all alone, wondering where I've gone wrong. Once there was a love that will never come again, so let's not pretend. Once there was a love, but that was long ago.
So Beatzers, pila kay imong ihatag nga score ni Ramil ug ngano? I-comment na sa lalom kay ato ng istoryahan dito.
Beatzers! Successful gyud kaayo ato ang Beat si Okay diri sa studio. Ang mga partisipante nga ni Anhi, gipangandaman gyud kaayo nila pag-ayo. So sa sunod na pud ha, kita-kits! Ug syempre, ayaw kalimot og like, share, subscribe sa ato ang Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram ug Spotify para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos nato.